Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're signed in, so begin by verifying the right profile and that subtitles are enabled for that profile. This matters because settings are profile specific. Next, close and restart the Hulu app or refresh the browser to drop transient errors that block captions. Make sure your device has the latest operating system and the Hulu app is updated, since caption rendering frequently breaks on outdated builds. Once done, return to the show and open the audio/subtitle selector to check available caption streams. Now focus on the playback controls. Open the audio and subtitles menu while the video is playing because some devices only load captions on active streams. Choose the correct language and explicitly toggle captions on. Don't assume previous state persists. If you still can't read text, go into closed caption or accessibility settings in the app to change font size, color, and background opacity. Changing appearance often fixes contrast issues and makes captions render properly across smart TVs and streaming boxes. Then resume playback to confirm. Finish by isolating the issue. Play another show or use a different device to determine whether the problem is content-specific or device-specific. If captions fail across content on one device, clear the app cache or reinstall Hulu. This removes corrupted caption files. If problems persist, note your device model, OS version, and Hulu app version, and contact Hulu support. Provide the exact steps you tried so they can replicate the bug. One tip: try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data in case network filters disrupt caption streams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.